feel like hindi ka nag-grow kahit ang dami mo namang natututunan. You're always trying to learn, improve yourself every day. Napansin ko, the reason we always feel stuck, kahit na we are actually learning every single day, actually a lot of things, is because there is a gap between learning and doing. So every time we read, we watch, we listen, for example, to a podcast, and hindi naman natin siya nabibigyan ng follow-through, yung growth, nagsistay lang siya dun sa mind natin, and hindi siya dumadating dun sa identity. Kaya, if you're like me, and you're also trying to get better every day, our job, our goal every day is to look for small ways on how to close the gap between learning and doing. It's not that we need to do more. Kailangan lang nating matutunan to turn one specific insight or learning into action. This is day 48. Still learning, still applying. I'll see you tomorrow.